I have a dual monitor stand, and I'm running dual monitors as we speak right now. But you might be thinking, oh, wouldn't it be better to have a triple? Well, I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but if you fancy a triple monitor stand, this could be the one for you. So we're going to see what you get for your money, and we're going to see how easy or how hard it is to set up. Now, this can only handle up to a 27-inch monitors, 3 of them. And luckily for me, I do have 3 27-inch monitors. I have 2 there right now on my dual monitor setup, and I have another one sitting on the floor. They're not all the same, but they should still work. So we have instructions, and we have loads of parts. A bar. That is, there should be 3 of these. 2, yeah, there is 3. I believe they're VESA or Visa brackets to go on the back of your monitor, so you can mount them. Don't know what that is. Looks good though. Don't know what that is. Probably a little cover of some sort. And a lump of metal, and I'm guessing that will go on the bottom somewhere, either like that or maybe like that. Again, I don't know. We don't know, do we? And then there's some more parts. Cool. That is heavy, whatever that is. Oh, that is one big lump. That is a heavy lump. Now that will take, I'm guessing, that will take all 3 monitors at the same time, because that is really heavy. Some screws, some brackets, some more screws with like plastic washers, Allen keys, more screws. You get the picture. There's lots of bits. So I'm going to have to read the instructions to find out how to assemble it and see how easy it is to assemble. Hopefully it's really easy. And also I want to find out, is there some sort of adjustment for tension, you know, in case some of your monitors are too heavy and they're dropping down and they need stabilising, or you can't actually move them. We will find out in this video how easy it is to adjust the actual tension on this unit. Give me a second while I set her up, or start setting her up.
Doing crazy dreaming.
let me quickly go through and explain to you how easy or how hard it was to actually do. And yes, quite easy. I haven't done any cable management, as you can see, but it does have built-in cable management, and they're just little plastic sliders, so they're quite easy to get off, put your cables in and then slide them back on again. As I'm not actually going to be using this setup, because for me it's just too big, but it might be right for you. And also there are two different ways of clamping it. You can either do it the way that I've done it, where you just cut the clamps underneath, or it comes with this little set here, where you put a bolt actually through the desk, which I didn't want to do, so I didn't do that one. Also, the instructions, they was very good, nicely laid out, easy to read. I was a little bit confused with the first set of bolts, because you know it's got numbers and that except for the first set, and I thought, oh, am I supposed to use these ones or these ones? But apart from that, yeah, it's very easy to do. You can actually rotate them as well. I'll quickly show you this one. So that will rotate. If there's one that is difficult to adjust up and down, it'll be the middle one. So you want to get that one right first, wherever you want it, and then you can get the other two to match it. The tensioners are very good, they seem to work fine, considering that these monitors are quite heavy, and they're probably at the maximum weight of the actual arm, but it's holding it, it's doing the job. No, it's not perfect, but then I'm not going to be using it, am I? You might be though. So with that, as always, I will stick links in the video description below in case you decide you want to buy them. They might be affiliated, but it doesn't cost you any more money. And also, if you like this video or any of my videos, why not subscribe, click on the bell for notifications and give me the thumbs up. Easy peasy lemon squeezy when you know how. Thanks very much for watching.